Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Serum Vitamin C on your face. First, let's prepare your skin for optimal absorption. Begin by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This creates a clean canvas for the serum. Next, gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. It's important that your skin is completely dry before moving on to the next step, as damp skin can sometimes dilute the serum or cause mild irritation. Now, let's talk about the application itself. Dispense about 3 to 5 drops of your vitamin C serum onto your clean fingertips. A little goes a long way with these potent formulas. Gently press and pat the serum evenly across your entire face and neck. Remember to use a light touch. There's no need to rub vigorously. This gentle patting motion helps the serum absorb effectively into your skin. Timing and layering are key for maximizing your serum's benefits. It's generally recommended to apply vitamin C serum in the morning. This allows its antioxidant properties to protect your skin throughout the day. After applying, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, giving the serum ample time to fully absorb. Then, follow up with your favorite moisturizer, and most importantly, a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin and locks in hydration. Finally, here are some important tips for using vitamin C serum. Always store your serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. When choosing a product, look for serums containing L-ascorbic acid, ideally in concentrations between 10 and 20%, for effective results. If you're new to vitamin C, introduce it gradually, perhaps every other day, to allow your skin to adjust and prevent any potential irritation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.